Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. With these words, we, the people of India, formally adopted the Constitution on January 26, 1950. The adoption of the Constitution made India into a democratic republic, that is, a country governed by elected representatives of the people, by the people, and for the people. The Constitution of India has many novel facets to it, including being the longest written constitution of any nation. But its foremost value lies in the 6 fundamental rights given to citizens of this country, rights that cannot be overridden even by the Parliament. The fundamental rights are right to equality, right to freedom of speech and expression, freedom to assemble peaceably and without arms, freedom to form associations or unions, freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India, freedom to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India, freedom to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade, or business, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. As India celebrates its 71st Republic Day on January 26, 2020, it is time to remember the freedoms accorded to us on this day and to cherish them. Wish you all a happy Republic Day.